Welcome to BBright RMD presentation, our new remote monitoring decoder. BBright RMD is a unique remote monitoring solution to verify and check your live content remotely, up to Ultra HD. RMD integrates a built-in transcoder to stream your content in low latency mpeg. It's like having access to your live contribution or distribution streams through YouTube. Simple and efficient. Our remote monitoring decoder can support all kinds of video services, up to Ultra HD and HDR, and including support for Dolby Atmos and Dolby AC4. mpeg 2, H.264, HEVC, and even JPEG 2000 are supported. On the input side, TS over IP. On the output side, informations are available through Web UI or REST API, and video plus audio are streamed using mpeg-standard. In this example, a broadcaster can distribute its live content over satellite or fiber, then deploy BBright RMD on reception points. Then, each RMD will locally analyze the quality of the transport stream, check video and audio metadata, and also generate a low bitrate stream of the video and audio. The broadcaster can now check its distribution network using a simple and secured internet connection to receive monitoring data plus video and audio streams from each BBright RMD. BBright RMD is available as dedicated physical appliances or virtual machine for cloud deployment. Now let's have a look on its unique user interface to understand how it works and what it does. All BBright products and softwares have the same philosophy with very simple user interface, optimized for your operators. On the main page we connect as admin or operator. Menus at the top, all channels, log alarm, admin. Info bar at the bottom with product name, firmware version and serial number, plus key status infos. Now let's have a look at BBright RMD and its unique features. 4 view modes are available. Mode 1, Mosaic mode equals 1 video thumbnail for each channel, and on the top of it audio bar status. We dynamically adapt audio bars level depending on how many audio info we have. Of course, it is an adaptive resolution. The navigator modifies the display depending on the screen size to optimize the display of the different channels. Mode 2, Multi-View mode. For each channel we display thumbnails, audio bar, ETR 290 alarm level 1, it checks scrambling, duplicated frame, synchro loss and continuity counter. For each channel, 3 alarms level. Green, everything is okay since the last alarm's reset. Red, ongoing alarm. Orange, at least one event occurred since the last alarm reset. Mode 3, streaming mode for one given channel. Possibility to configure the input. For a TS over IP input, you can activate ST2022-7 redundancy. Apply FEC correction, PID filtering or service selection. Click Apply to apply the configuration. Live streaming mode can now be activated to get a low bitrate preview of your stream in mpeg- using a simple internet connection. Bitrate and resolution can be adjusted up to 1080p to match your network environment constraints. You can now select the audio you want to hear, either a downmix of one service or select one specific pair of your audio stream. We also display real-time bitrate graph per PID. Main interest equals possibility to see a bitrate loss or fall, which would mean there is an encoder issue. On the right for each PID, each service, we display the bit rate, the codec, frame rate, and color space. It also includes dynamic metadata display for Dolby codecs, including Dolby Atmos and AC4. Mode 4, Full Screen mode. You can display your video service into full screen if you want to focus on your content. Logs and alarms. All the alarms are logged with a timestamp. They can be easily exported and filtered through the UI. Administration/server. All of this will be used to configure your units, define user rights, update the unit, or define your security levels such as using certificate or RSA keys to secure your connections. Info. Finally, the last menu will give you access to release notes, user manual, and also a fully documented REST API if you want to integrate BBright RMD with your own orchestration or monitoring tools. That's all for today. We hope you enjoyed this presentation, and if you would like more information, please contact sales@bbright.com.